Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Small. Number 8. Number 9. Small. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. Number 21. This is the 21 people we released from Badagry prison today, being 15th day of May 2025. What we're supposed to release today is 30 people, but they are released 21 for us. They say we should come back by next week to carry the remaining 9 people. My God will bless all of you. I'm taking them to my palace. When we reach to the palace, we give them food, we give them transport money, we give them clothes. They will now go back to their various destinations. After 2 days, they will come back to the palace for to share work for them. I will share them to different companies so that they will have something doing, so that they will not commit another offense and come back to the people. I greet all of you.